Testing, 1, 2. The second half is underway. You want nothing Canoe lead. And now it will be easier than greasy. And it comes into, they know about this second half. Look out now. Look out now. A second half of epic proportions is now here. Vamos! And now there is Samuel Nazari on the feet to Pedram Jamali. On the feet to Cruz. And there is Richard there. And Richard with some options. Lay right back to Mikey Neestoff. One timer on and one by Kurush. And Kurush was about to be. Thanks, Richard. Oh my goodness, what a hit by Richard yet again. Yeah, options, yeah. Talk. Jimmy Namdi. Oh, what a move. Oh, the feet's working right now. It's Richard. And here's Sandra Rajabi. Yes! And what a pass there by Richard and Namdi. And it's 2-0 Canoe. Sandra Rajabi has done it again. And the lead machine continues his role. And I guess the falafel machine works after all, Bobby. You know it. 2 goals for Canoe. They lead 2-0. Sandra Rajabi has scored. And they're going right back to Juan Garcia. And he knows what he can do. And Jimmy. And Namdi. Right back to Mikey. Right back to Namdi. I hate these on the Saturday afternoon. Wow, was that for Mikey and Samuel Nazari? It was. Pedram Jamali. Richard, yes! Sandra Rajabi again! Do you believe this guy? And it's 3-0 Canoe! And I guess the falafel machine works after all. Coming to you live from local Alibabas. Sandra Rajabi has done it again. And it's 3-0 Canoe. Sandra Rajabi has got his brace. 2 goals in a minute for Canoe. 2 goals in a minute for Sandra. Oh, I spoke too soon for that one. This was trouble. Thank you. And Peter. And Samuel Nazari. And there is Jimmy. And there's Chris. Peter. And Cruz. And Vita Hua. Ah, fancy for Richard. Right back to Namdi. Trying to save it off of his back. Wow. Oh, yeah. Wow, how crazy this is going to be. Yes, Richard. Thank you. Yeah, right there, Richard. Oh, look out for Lobo. I think it was out. I don't know how he kept that in play. Oh, thanks, Chris. Easy. Really, really good. So, was that Samuel Nazari? Yes. Have some of that, says Kurush. And there it is. And Kurush. Lay right back to Richard. And Samuel Nazari. Richard. And lay right back to the point. And it's Jimmy. And now there is Samuel Nazari. Sandra Rajabi would have had a playoff hat trick in the first leg. Aha! Oh, yeah, almost working for Mikey. Wow, wow, wow. There's Jimmy. Hey, my ref, I'm looking at a foul here. Ah, there's Jimmy. And there is a feed from Mikey to Richard. Mikey Distov. Oh, and Sandra Rajabi was in there. Turnover. Here's Richard. Lays it off for a cross. And Sandra Rajabi would have... Movement! Movement! Yeah, there we go. Pedro Jamali off of the corner kick. All the way wide by Pedro Jamali, Kurush, and perhaps Peter there as well. Peter, and he wins the ball back with ease. Richard looking for Sandra Rajabi again. Now.
They have 12.
Wait, who? Enter? Wow. Look at a foul there on Enter as Peter was trying to make his way through.
Yeah, well done.
Namdi. It's Sandra Rajabi. Nice play there, and guess who it was for Alex Magnifico? Pedro Jamali, rather. It was into the glove of the internet miner. Still 3-0 Canoe. When you know it's going to be more easier for my meal after work cause. Easy Jimmy, easy Peter, bye. Peter's shaking up on the play. There we go. And of course, Peter. And there's Richard. Peter again. And there is a Samuel Nazari on the feed to Andre. And there is a Mikey on the feed to Samuel Nazari, and then another feed right back to the point, and it's Namdi. I look at a foul there. Where did the ball go? Options! Andre Pinto 3000. Centering pass. There by Pedro Jamali. The road runner again. Boys! Yes, Mikey. Sandra Rajabi. Twist. Great. But kept in there by Mikey. Inside right now for Andre. And there is Peter. Peter again. Almost working on his feet. What a move. What a move. Pedro. Mikey. Come. Cruz. The slick pass would have been for Richard. Ha. No. I said, hey, come here. Oh, look out. That Samuel Nazari has a word with one of the Inter players. And, of course, on the referee, too. Wow. And hypothetically, and Greasy, this is named for the next Alibaba chapter. The next Alibaba chapter has featured a little more spice to it. Easy, Jimmy. Easy. Calm it down. Peter was going to get that. I literally thought that Peter was going to get that. Green lighted by Jimmy. And I thought it was off of Inter this time. Boys, jump! Green lighted by Richard. Hard. Oh, green light! No! Great. Till then. Oh, Richard was always going to have it. Step! Press! Step! That's it. Oh, Carouge. Wake up! Green light in by Carouge. Sliding in. Oh, that's greasy. That's greasy. Hey! There you go!
How much to pay you?
Wow. Chris again, eh? Oh, you asked me, Chris. I hear it. Reverse, hold on! Oh, that's Roger me with the interplayer down. What a hit. Wow, now this is already getting a little too greasy. What a hit by Sandro Rajami. Wow, how greasy this is gonna be. Oh, almost working for Richard. Actually, Richard wins the ball back. Richard, oh, can he catch the keeper off of his line? Yes! Oh my goodness gracious! Hey, he's supposed to celebrate on the camera! As Richard has scored, and it's 4-0, as Richard catches the keeper from Inter way out of his position. Richard, 4-0, Canoe. So, and it's 4-0. 4-0 as Richard has scored. Canoe FC has scored 4 goals against Inter. As Inter, remember last week, they scored against 4 against Canoe. Now this is the exact revenge of his line after he gave the ball away from their center. Save for 1, Garcia. Thank you. Sandra, or Chris. Chris again. Cruz. Oh, yeah. Good buddy. Oh, great. Oh, my goodness. The Inter takes it. And here's Richard again. Oh, almost working for Sandro Rajabi. Almost. He will come for you, Mr. Alex. I'm playing. Look! Aha! Richard to this! Oh, great. Boys! Stop! Drop! Not today, Sir Samuel Nasri. Thank you! Hey! Thank you! Hey! Just a little. Green light by Namdi again. How about Namdi? Oh, look out, Chris. Look out. Oh, green light by Namdi. Oh, look out. Oh! And Andre Pinto, 3,000. And Peter.
Well done, Christian.
And Peter. And there is Alex. And Cruz. And Alex Magnifico. Should have been Sandro Rajabi. It should have been that breakout. Boys, jump! That's yours, Richard. That's yours, Mikey. It's yours, Samuel. Nothing. Aha! I'm loving this here from Central Tech. Great. So much for the beat. Oh, look out. A green light by Namdi. Move it. Talk. Aha! Sandro Rajabi, and it should be a Canoe ball. Yes! Cruz. Hey! It looked like a penalty. I can't believe how the referee didn't even call that. And Cruz is down and slowly getting up. But right back to Samuel Nasri. And Chris. And Jimmy. Stop! Press! Nothing, nothing, nothing. Give him nothing. Give him nothing. Aha, aha. Yes, Alex. Ah, by Peter. Oh, this smells trouble. Look out. Boys, drop, drop, drop. Aha. Samuel Nazari. Boys, drop. Oh, there's no trouble. Oh, bye-bye. He's bloody missed it. What a brat. Yeah.
That's a good ball. Turn, Jim.
Yeah, totally, Jimmy.
Wow.
Well, hold on, boys. Watch out for a second. Hold on, Pedro. Samuel, watch out. Watch, I got this. There. Boys, watch out for a second. Samuel. There it is. I guess he's probably not going to say it. That's fair. Well, whatever it is, because it was a long investigation. And finally, after about 4 hours, all the commotion at Bathrust Street near Bathrust Station has been condemned. Oh, I was working here. Green light in my house, my TV go crunchy. I'll live up all of these horses. Easy, Peter. Easy. I'm a Victor, yes!
No, don't worry. Call the ref next one.
Yeah, call the next one for a sub.
Keep it!
Keep!
Head on.
Oh, and thank you. There it is.
Can we sub?
And there's Juan Garcia to Chris and Peter. And Chris. And then later right back to Samuel Nazari. Sasha Rajabi. Good pass. Here's Alex Magnifico. Into the glove of the netminder of Inter. Boys, drop! Look, he was off. Thank you very much. Andre Pinto 3000 just gave the ball away, unfortunately, because now Inter have possession, but not for long. He recovers back. Until then. Nice hit there by Samuel Chetty doing the job there. Wow.
Work together.
And there it is. It's Cypher. And it was Samuel Nazari. Oh, no! Oh, no! And Samuel Nazari has received a red card, Bobby. Oh, boy.
Boys, I just didn't want him to get that ball, that's it.
And the referee, Sean, has seen enough of this.
What's your name?
Sam.
Yep, Samuel Nazari.
That's my last name on the team.
Number 6. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Outside the stadium? Well, we're gonna wait till everybody figures this out. I'm sorry I have to say this, but Samuel Nazari has to leave the premises. Oh, boy. And the Inter players right over there are a little bit concerned, well, a little annoyed about the time wasting, but for all these reasons, we're back. Well, lads, I have a consensual feeling again about this. Oh, there's a bees, right? It's a bees, right? Yeah. Good thing I have a sweater. That smells trouble. Whoa, never mind. Phil Jones mentor. What's a Sure. Well, for sure. And Alex Magnifico. Was working here for Saja Rajabi. Was working here for Richard. Green light in here. Wow, how greasy this is gonna be. Wow.
I know.
And open. Ah, went up and out of play. Oh boy. Boys, jump! Green light in there by Andre Pinto. Canoe FC Wonder are on their way to a 4-0 win on the first leg of this semis. And they know how greasy it can be. Richard, what a move and what a hit by Richard. Oh boy. Easy, Richard, easy. And I understand how greasy this is gonna be. Another round of falafels coming your way from Alibaba. Here is Sajja Rajabi. Holding. Almost working. He's trying to get it up again. That dribbling of Inter again. Oh, yeah. Look at Andre Pinto and Chris. Green light in by CC. Boys. Oh yeah. How about Richard? Using his speed and dribbling. Oh my goodness. And what a pass there for Alex Magnifico. Green light it. What a hit. Crunching KFC buckets. And the referee will give out about a few minutes left. Well, maybe 2. Look how, and there's something else. Look how Richard has to work with one of the Inter players in this playoff atmosphere. And look how greasy this is going to be. Wow. How greasy this is going to be between these two heavyweights. Wait till next week for the second leg at 2 p.m. Easy on. I have a bit of... Where is the rest of the workhorse? There's Mike.
Teddy, squeeze in.
Oh, yeah. Look out, Chris. Oh, boy. I smell trouble. Oh, what a play by Juan Garcia. And that could do it. Canoe FC 1 are going to lead the aggregate by 4-0 heading into next week's second leg. They win the first leg by a final score of 4-0. And they're going to have a 4-0 lead on aggregate. Yep. You know it's...
Okay.
Oh, well. Hey, linesman, time? I guess he's not going to answer that question. I guess it's done. It's basically done, right? It's basically done. Oh, this one's over. Oh, we won and I could do it. Game's over. And Canoe wins the first leg 4-0. And they're heading into next week's second leg. Up 4-0. They have an aggregate lead of 4-0 heading into next week's second leg. Well, I'm out of here from Central Tech, but hang on. Workhorse against CF Dons are next. And their first leg. Workhorse have won it, Canoe FC, pardon me. Canoe FC have won it 4-0. And see you next week for the second leg. But Workhorse and CF Dons are next.